This video will guide you through filling out a reservation request for the LBJ Student Center. Note the URL address at the top of the screen for reference. To begin, you will click the yellow box at the bottom of the page if you are requesting on behalf of a student org or a university department. Once on the EMS page, you will see the reservation templates that you are authorized to request for. For example, maybe you are an officer of a student organization and want to request for your weekly chapter meeting. Let's use the recurring meeting request as an example. Here's where you'll enter your date, time, and frequency information. By clicking Recurrence, you can select how often you'd like to meet. Let's say weekly, Fridays. And here's where you can select your first available date. On my example, the first Friday is May 15th. And let's go 3 Fridays in a row. Right now, the meeting time is set for noon to 1, but I want to make it 1 to 2. Then apply recurrence. You'll note on the left-hand side, 3 occurrences or dates have been selected. Add LBJ as your building. Here you can see all the available rooms. We can filter this down a bit more though. Maybe you're going to have 20 people at your meeting. By searching for that headcount, you'll only see rooms that work for at least 20 people. It looks like room 4-1.9 has the most availability with 3 out of 3 of our selected dates. If you want to know more about room 419, you can click the room itself and see details. For example, it's on the 4th floor, set in round tables, and it has some thumbnail images of what the room looks like. Let's go forward with booking 419 by clicking the green arrow and adding room. Hit next step to add more details to your reservation request. For example, you may know that projection is now free for some organizations. You can select LCD projector as an item. If you need a laptop computer, those rent for $30 for student organizations, or you can bring your own. Under the equipment category, you'll notice some popular items that can be requested. For example, dry erase boards, directional arrows, or an arts and crafts package. In the food and beverage category, you'll indicate whether food and beverage will be served at your meeting. Maybe you want to bring your own packaged snacks. Here's where you can indicate that. In the furniture category, you can request additional furniture beyond what is already in the room. For example, an additional 6-foot table. Then proceed to next step.